Okay guys, this is the GSX S1000. Wow, tongue twister of a name that is. Can you imagine how mad and mental this must go? But this is not a normal GSX S1000. This is a 1000cc stunt machine. After my last wheelie learning session with my teacher Rishi, this is his bike by the way. He gave this to me and he's like, go out, go crazy. I've taught you how to wheelie in stage 1, so go out and try. And I'm like, are you crazy? You're on a phaser only. I'm like phasing out. And then you want me to do this on a 1000cc? No way, man. Quickly going to take you through the changes he's made to this bike, because if you're looking to kind of soup up your normal bike to a stunt bike, then maybe these cues will help you. Look at this, man. There's nothing here. It's one hollow unit. Hey, there's a kapda to clean the bike, chal. But literally, there is nothing here.
No, the f***ing motors.
Go quickly and check it out. Oh, he's just a doggo. Who doesn't know? So what he's done is he has replaced our normal clutch lever with this shorty clutch lever here. But why has he done that? Because there's an adjustment here for something called a handbrake. Now, why does he need a handbrake when he's already got a rear brake and he's got the front brake? When he's doing a stand-up wheelie and he's standing up here with his bike in the air like he just don't care, then how on earth is his foot going to like reach the rear brake, right? It's not possible. So that's why the adjustment and the attachment over there for a handbrake, so that he has all controls at all points right here on his handlebars. Dude, have you noticed 3 calipers?
Yeah,
You know, the extra 2 calipers are for the handbrake.
yeah, I cannot imagine how quickly the bike would be stopping.
Stopping, right?
Yeah, seriously, we consider the rear brake itself to be so much powerful.
Yeah,
and with
yeah.
those 2 calipers move for the front brake.
Crazy, dude. And I think that's the reason is also because of how powerful this machine is. The handbrake is doing your job for you. That's nuts, right? 2 extra calipers for a handbrake. बाईक आवडते तुला हो तुला पण हा मी बघितलं इसीलिए मी स्टॉप केलं हा So when you're a stunter and you own a 1000cc motorcycle, you have to care about protecting the engine, because you're going to at some point or the other drop the bike. It's going to happen. You can be one of the best stunters in the world. You ask them and they'll all tell you that the crashes they have, the amount of drops they also have are incredible. The numbers are incredible. Sorry? You follow me? अच्छा वो super sweet. अरे ऐसे बोल ना. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. वो कान दिखे ना दिखे, सर तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. प्लीज मेरे हेलमेट यार. Hi. 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 So that rear disc that you see is actually not stock. It is the Hayabusa's front disc which he has placed at the back. What a guy. Guys, my most favorite part about this bike, apart from the fact that it is one of the wildest big bikes I have ridden to date, is this. It's simple, but it's so cute. This is literally a handmade thing. Okay, so it's of course it's because when you're doing one of those stand-up wheelies or when you're like out there completely, you don't want this bashing about or flapping about. But I have a better use for it. Running away from the mamus. And of course, for a bike that's this nuts, it's also going to sound.
It was so loud it vibrated my gimbal, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Holy shit. I have really pissed people off with my noise today, I'm sure. So I'm now going to go ride because bahut ho gaya baatein. Bye. Ow!
Sit. Take a seat.
Okay, that was an amazing ride. And I just stopped quickly because I saw that. And this is something we need to really stop doing as human beings on this goddamn planet. Please, man, turn off taps. We're already like, we are only in the beginning of summer and water is completely. Turn off the damn tap, please. Riding अच्छा हो गया ये 1000cc पे. Now time for some paid puja. This is one of my favorite places to get a nice simple breakfast. It's called Priya. It's in Pune and I've been eating it ever since I was so little. Yeah. इतना सा तो मैं था. हाँ. So let's go. चलो. So this is my half-eaten idli, which is superb as always. हर्ष तू क्या खा रहा है?
Mysore masala dosa. Kick ass.
क्या? Anish?
What is this? Masala dosa.
What is this? How does he not know what he's ordered? Why is he like this?
He's lost. He's just lost.
So, why I turn the camera to myself? Guys, please tell me what did you think of the bike? You've been seeing a lot of super bikes with me lately, but this was a different kind. So, what did you think of it? Who are we starting with?
Crazy. No traction control. It's a whoop whoop. Is what she said.
Is what I said. अच्छा, वो भी मैं ही बोलूँ. That's what souped up stunt bikes are supposed to do. Powerful, torquey, and be able to pop wheelies whenever you feel like it. You know? And that's what Rishikesh Mandke does with this bike. I've had a really nice day in Pune today, riding a mad, wild GSX 1000. GSX S है यार. Riding a wild GSX S 1000. I hope you like what we did with this video. तो हाँ यार, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो ये वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब करो, उनको भी बोलो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, उनको बोलो कि अपने मम्मी पापा को भी बोले सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, नेबर्स को भी बोले सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए.
Just like COVID vaccine. Everyone should get it. Everyone should do it.
Okay, and yeah, like the video, comment because I would love to hear from you. I'm chatting with you all in comments a lot these days. I think I'm having a lot of fun doing that too. So yeah, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. अंकल आप भी बाय बोलो. भैया बाय बोलो ना. बाय बोलो.
Bye.
Bye.
Tata.
Sayonara.
Sumit, can you smile? He has, you know, the minute that filter comes on, we all like look like that. He looks exactly like that filter.
No, I don't.
Look, guys, smile, smile, see. GSX S 1000. I forgot the S. Okay, so yeah, it's not 1000cc motorcycle from Suzuki. Sorry. What else did I want to say?